Do you know that the very water you drink every day from plastic bottle may be silently poisoning you? Every sip might be exposing you to harmful chemicals that disrupt your hormones, damage your organs, and even increase your risk of cancer. Plastic water bottles are marketed as pure, clean, and convenient, yet they silently leach toxic chemicals into your water, turning hydration into a health hazard. In this video, I will break down everything you need to know about plastic bottles, what they are really made of, how they poison your body, and most importantly, what safer alternative you should be using to protect your health and your family future. Stick around till the end because your health may depend on it. What is in plastic bottle? Most plastic bottles are made from a material called PET, polyethylene terephthalate. It is a type of plastic that looks clean and clear, but don't be fooled. Over the time, especially when heated, this bottle leach out dangerous chemicals into the water. The most dangerous ones are BPA, bisphenol A, pH pilate, microplastic. Let's break it down. BPH, bisphenol A, the hormone disruptor. BPA is a synthetic compound used to make plastic stronger and more flexible. But here is the catch. It mimics estrogen, a hormone in your body. When BPA enters your bloodstream, it confuses your cell. It can disrupt your hormone, lower sperm count in men, cause early puberty in girls, increase the risk of breast and prostate cancer. Studies show that even low doses of BPA can create long-term health effects. pH pilates, the silent reproductive killers. pH pilates are used to soften plastic, but once they leach into your water, they disrupt your endocrine system, the one responsible for hormones. They have been linked to infertility, birth defects, liver and kidney developmental issues in children. The worst is that these chemicals accumulate in your body over time. Microplastic, the invisible invader. Every week, you may be drinking a credit card worth of plastic particles and you don't even know it. This particle enters your organs and tissues. They have been found in human blood, placenta, breast milk, even the brain. Long-term exposure could lead to inflammation, toxicity, and even neurological disorder. Antimony. This is a heavy metal in PET plastic. Leaches faster when heated. It causes organ toxicity. What makes it worse? So how do these toxins get into your water? Number one is heat. Leaving a plastic water bottle in your car or under the sun increases the chemical leaches. Time. The older the bottle, the more unstable the plastic becomes. Reusing. Reusing plastic bottle causes wear and tear, making it easy for chemical to seep out. Poor storage. If the bottle was exposed to sunlight or heat during transport, the damage may have already begun before you even open it. UV light. Sunlight degrades plastic and chemicals release. Let's talk about the real health risk of drinking from plastic bottle every day. Number one is hormonal imbalance. You may experience mood swing, weight gain, and reproductive issues. Cancer risk. Prolonged exposure to BPA and pH pilot has been linked to breast and prostate cancer. Neurological damage. Microplastic in the bloodstream may lead to memory loss, brain fog, and inflammation. Immune suppression. Your immune system weakens due to constant exposure to foreign synthetic compounds. Kidney and liver damage. Your detox organs are under constant pressure to eliminate plastic-based toxins. Let's talk about the safer alternative you should be using. Now, let's talk about what you can do to protect yourself. There are much safer, affordable options available today. Number one is glass bottle. 100% toxic free, easy to clean, no chemical, leaching, long-lasting and reusable. Tip: use bottles with silicone sleeve for protection. Stainless steel bottle, BPA free, durable and safe. Keep water cool for longer. No microplastic, ideal for outdoor uses. Copper water bottles, natural antimicrobial properties, boost immunity. Ancient Vedic tradition, help balance pH level. BPA-free hard plastic bottles, marked as 5 or PP, safer than PET bottles, still used with cushions. Avoid heat exposure and do not reuse too often. But I will advise you to avoid BPA-free plastic scam or substitute BPS, BPF are equally toxic, ceramic or bamboo, ideal for home use. What you should do now: stop buying bottled water for daily use. Switch to glass or stainless steel container. Never leave plastic bottles in a hot car. Don't reuse disposable plastic bottles. Look for BPA-free or BPA-safe label if you want to use plastic. Store water in cool place. And remember, the small decision you make daily can either heal you or harm you. In conclusion, you don't need to wait until you get sick to start making changes. Your body is directly giving you signs: headache, fatigue, hormone issue, and it may all trace back to something as simple as your water bottle. Take back control of your health by ditching the plastic and embracing safer alternatives. Comment below. What kind of water bottle do you currently use? Will you be making a switch after watching this? Indeed, learning never ends. In case you don't know me, I am Chinenye Harriet, and if you like natural remedies, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.